Hi, this is Pam from Statdash. In this video, I'm going to show you our advanced reporting module and the different reports that are available to you in Statdash. On the screen now, you'll see a demo account that I'm logged into that is just one of our basic free accounts. And if you go down to the reporting section, you'll see that there's really nothing listed here. You can upgrade to install the reporting module, or you can just click on a link to see any reports that have been sent to you through email. You can see all of those in one place. So when you upgrade, it's just going to bring you to a page where you can then go and choose what it is that you want to do, what kind of upgrade you want. And then once you do an upgrade, then you'll have access to all of our reports in the reporting module. So I'm going to switch over to an account now that has rights in order to see those reports. And first we're going to start with the team member status report. The purpose of the team member status report is to make it possible for you to see one person's status on all of the dashboards that you have set up. So this is particularly useful for performance reviews or to check on the status of a single person to see if they're keeping up, if they're getting the work done that they're supposed to do. We use this with the email address of the person. This way, if you have the team members entered multiple times, the same email address but with different roles or different headings or things like that, then you can actually see them all together. They're considered one person if they share an email address. And then this drop down here is for the actual categories for dashboards. So if you're not using categories, then you'll need to categorize your dashboards so that we know what to look up. So instead of looking through every single dashboard that you have, we look through based on category. So I'm choosing here to look through all of my demo dashboards for my email address, and then I'll get the status. And you notice how quickly this comes up, and it's showing me my status for every one of the dashboards that I have set up. And this is a dashboard name here and here, and then you can see what my status is for everyone. You can email this out and just put an email address in and send it in an email, and they'll see a read-only version of this report. You can also make changes here, and we can go to management, and then you can see the status there. These are all the management dashboards that we have. Okay. So the next report that we have is called the status filter report. Now I'm going to actually switch companies so I can show you a good version of how this would work, a real life situation. So the status filter report allows you to go to a dashboard and look for a specific status in a column or row. So what I'm doing here is this dashboard has strengths of reactors, which are people who provide input to different companies. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to figure out a group of people who have specific skills so that we can match them as mentors to our students. So I'm going to choose people who have strong skills, and I'm going to choose leadership, marketing, and IT. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say that I want to find reactors who are strong in all of these different areas. I can give it a report title if I want, and then I just run the report. So this came back out of a group we have about 300 people in here, and it came back with this subset. And if you notice, we have people who are strong in leadership, marketing, and IT. So now what you can do here is there's a bio report that you can actually click on the bio report, and it shows the information for each reactor. You can show the resume information, and it'll give you more detail on each reactor. I'll go back. Then I can actually email this link, a link to this report if I want. So that comes in very, very handy. So the activity log report comes in handy when you want to find the status of a particular person and what they've recorded over the course of time. So I'm going to go to a dashboard here, and notice it lists for me, these are all of the activities for the dashboard and then all of the team members, right? So what I'm going to do is this particular dashboard, I have an alert field, and that gets populated with information for a particular activity if there's issues. All right, so the team member, I want to look for anybody who has put an alert in. I'm going to run my report. So these are all the alerts that have been put in to the system. Now what I really want to do is show the comments so that I can look down and see what were the alerts that were going in to the system. So you can use this to look up any single person to see everything that they've put in. So let's say I just want to see, I need to see everything that the project manager has put in, say for all of our activities. And now you're just going to see a list of everything that the project manager put in and all of the comments related to that. So this can come in handy if you know that you thought that somebody said something was done and then you realize that it's not done. You can go back and you can find out, you know, what was actually done and what was created on that. The other thing is you can view all the generated reports, and here you see these are reports that have been generated here for me. From this point here, you can actually schedule the report so that you can send it automatically to people on a recurring basis. You can also view all the scheduled reports, and here you'll see we have some reports. These are reports that we actually have scheduled, and then you can edit those, view them right from here. And if you'd like to check out more about this, you can check out our automated scheduler video, and you'll see how that all works. And then you can just do the reports that were sent to me. So this is just a quick way to keep a list of anyone who has sent you reports in Statdash, and you can quickly and easily view that report at any time. So I hope that you found this useful and that you'll check out our reporting module. If you'd like to check it out for a little while first before you upgrade, then just send us an email, pam@statdash.com, and we'll get that set up for you so you could try it out. Check out our other videos at statdash.com.